Right, we are doing question 7D1 now. Refer to the scatter plot below, or should be alongside, that looks at the correlation between a student's mathematics and science results. Answer the questions that follow. Circle the correlation coefficient that best describes the data above. So is it 0,2 or negative 0,93 or 1 or D, which is 0,94? Which one is which here? Okay, let's check. Right, I want us to discuss about the correlation coefficient. So the correlation coefficient will be or is between 1 and -1. When it is positive, it means it is a positive correlation. When it is negative, it means it is a negative correlation. Right, so +1 means it's a perfect positive correlation, and the -1 means it's a perfect negative correlation. Right? But if it's nearer to 1, like 0,9 here, it means it's a strong positive correlation. But if it's nearer to -1, like -0,9, it is a strong negative correlation. Okay? And then roughly as a 0,5 there, positive 0,5, moderate positive correlation. And then -0,5 is moderate negative correlation, or moderate negative association, still fine. And then nearer to 0, okay, it means it's a weak correlation. And then 0, it means there's no correlation. And then you can also see this when using these scatter plots. You see that? So 1, this is a perfect positive correlation. This is a perfect negative correlation. You see that? And then this one here is a strong positive correlation. This one is a strong negative correlation. Then moderate negative correlation, moderate positive correlation. So when it's positive, the scatter plot is like an increasing. When it's positive, when it's negative, it's decreasing, like that. Okay, and then weak negative correlation here, and then weak positive correlation. And then when it's 0 here, you can see there's no relationship, there's no correlation here. You see that? So we can also represent this using what? The scatter plots. Okay, now let's go back to our question and answer that. Right, it says that refer to the scatter plot alongside that looks at the correlation between students' mathematics and science results. Answer the questions that follow. Circle the correlation coefficient that best describes the data above. So which one is which here? This one is going to be out. You see that? Because this is increasing. Okay, it's not negative. This one also is out. This is not a perfect positive correlation, because perfect positive correlation means it must be a straight line. 0,2, this is a weak positive correlation. So our answer is 0,94, which shows a strong positive correlation. Okay, so that's the answer there.